Hi everyone, welcome to this section. This section we're going to be seeing a few landing pages and some lines and headlines and some ideas what you can use for your landing pages. This is because when we are new, we have very limited ideas on how to make landing pages and how to make things work. So this is going to be a bit of a quick start, because when I was new, I was checking YouTube for landing pages and checking so many places for landing pages. Like in Bing, I was looking at other people's landing pages and then trying to make it work. And then I was sending traffic to landing pages, and some of them don't work. I've made a few mistakes and I've learned from them. So in order for you guys to avoid those mistakes, or in order to get started quicker, let's have a look at a few landing pages. Now you will see that I like having micro commitment landing pages. The reason is because this converts, that's why. So here is an example of a landing pages. So this one, earn up to $400 a month in your free time with surveys. Obviously this was for survey, but then you can replace this headline with anything. But the thing over here is, this is micro commitment. So before people are going to your offer and they're filling out, they are making a few commitments, like, have you done any kind of data entry jobs before? Something like this. Easy questions, yes or no. How many surveys, blah blah, on an average. You can come up with your questions over here, and then they are taken here. Over here they're going to ask your email address, the prospect, and then they're going to be taken to the offer page where they fill out the button, or where they fill out your CPA offer. So this is one of them. I have put a timer over here so that give them a bit of scarcity. This is little bit of popularity. What is this called? Social proof. The reasons why they should join, what they'll be doing, how it works, and because this is the landing page is a bit longer, I've told them click here to get started, so that they can send the email and like go and fill up the offer. So this is one thing. This is the same style is over here. Here is a picture, and the picture of a mother and child. The picture, any of the landing page we put picture, it converts more. Some things of landing pages, put picture, it'll convert more. Here is the same landing page, but this time this landing page is the same landing page, just work from home moms earn cash with paid service. So I put a headline. You can replace it with any other headline, and then I put a sub headline, and then I put a sub headline. So more or less this is the same. However, this landing page for one of my campaigns was really good. The quality score of this was extremely high, almost like 10. Yeah, the quality score obviously depends on the ad, then keywords, and then landing pages. These factors affect the quality score, but this was a very good converting landing page. Here is another example. Now listen, these are just the example. You can take some ideas and get started. This all comes, you can make all this in InstaBuilder or whatever software you're using. So make money online with paid survey, and then I took this paragraph from some other landing page. And here is another landing page, but here I took this from ePoll, which is a max bounty offer, This also I took it from, this thing also I took it, the BBB I took it from ePol, and this one I also took from ePol surveys. Yeah, this BuzzFeed I took it from Google. This I have taken it from Google. As seen on TV, if you Google as seen on TV and then press images, you're gonna find something. This timer was cool because it gives the people a scarcity. And another, what you can do if you're looking for surveys, or sorry, if you're looking for landing pages, are, if you want to get more ideas, if you come to bing.com and if you type paid surveys and just press enter, you're going to be seeing a few examples, or whatever your niche is. Go to bing.com and then put the keyword of your niche, and you're going to be coming up with the results, and from the results you can check in a few of them. So you can take little bit from here, you can take something from here. Please model the other landing pages. Do not blindly copy it, because you will have some originality as well, so you can put it on your landing page. So Swagbucks, this is, you can take something from here as well if you want. When we open this one up, Inbox Pound, this one opened up. So from here, this is for Inbox Pound. Somebody put a landing page in front of the actual CPA offer. So proceed to sign for free. This will be taken to, oh bam, Inbox Pound. So what that person said was, just put a lander in front of the offer. So that way the lander always gives you more control, and this you can, it helps you with tracking as well, and gives you, makes you separate from other people. Because this survey offer, Inbox Pound, was in a lot of places in UK, and it's been going around for a while, and many people have seen it as well. So this advertiser have put a landing page in front of the offer, and have more originality from other people. He put some words from him, took two pictures, and then back to the offer. This pays around $2.50 or $3, something like that. So there you go. So thanks for seeing this video.